How to change your country in Almosafer. Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to change your country in Almosafer. So when you're changing your country in Almosafer to change your residence, all we need to do is open up your Almosafer right here. So you're at your Almosafer right now. Once your app has been opened up, next thing we need to do right here is on the bottom right corner you will see a profile icon. Press on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. After pressing on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, next thing we need to do right here, as you can see right now, we just need to go down, scroll a little bit down until you go to the personal information section. So here at this section you will see a lot of options that you can choose from. We have a profile, travel, loyalty, and so much more. And just below right here you will see a settings right there. Press on the settings right there. After pressing on the settings right there, next thing we need to do is click on the country. So the country is just below the language, as you can see right there. Press on the country right there here. So here we are in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So this is the country that I've chosen earlier because I don't know, when I created the country, no, when I created the app, I just I don't know what I'm clicking at. So I press this one. So yeah. Anyways, now to put it like like a universal. Let's say your country is not here. Just click on worldwide. Like it has the default currency for payment will be on USD. So once you're here, as you can see right now, Almosafer. So here at Almosafer right here, there you go. Once you've done that, you're all done. It's just restarting a bit, and then there. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns, type it a question below, guys. Hope to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. And there you guys. See you on the next one, and watch other videos right here on Almosafer. And thank you.